Why is it generic or I don't know. Let's see inside also.
Yeah.
But today it's the 15th of September 2023. This is Puistomäki, Parkbacken to Stegis C. And we have from Stegis B here before.
Yeah.
It's also here in Chilo. In Espoo, LSK Sports region, Puistomäki, Finland. Close to Lehto-Varabia, only one station on the local train, and it has 4 floors. But Schindler inside of it.
Yeah.
It was built in 2004.
Yeah. I'll check it.
I think it's 2000 maybe.
Yeah.
4 floors. The bed is generic outside.
Yeah.
The number is 1286. You can investigate site buildings or seasonal requirements, and it's going to be inspected next year, 2024. To right still, or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you find it?
1999.
Oh yeah, okay. We'll be 25 years old in the next year, 2024. The light doesn't really work.
Yeah. Is built by Kiwais and maintained by Kony.
The light is taken out of fuses and radios.
Yeah.
And the arrows are also
Yeah.
there's the Schindler logo, but I don't know. That's it, thanks for watching.
That's